We shall go to Philly, where in 1791 the Constitution was signed, which later included the Bill of Rights and the Second Amendment. The Second Amendment states a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. The next stop is Washington, D.C., where in 1975 they passed the Firearms Control Regulations Act. The law banned residents from owning handguns, automatic firearms, or high-capacity semi-automatic firearms, as well as prohibited possession of unregistered firearms. Exceptions to the ban were allowed for police officers and guns registered before 1976. The law also required firearms kept in the home to be unloaded, disassembled, or bound by a trigger lock or similar device. This was deemed to be a prohibition on the use of firearms for self-defense in the home. This led to Washington, D.C. versus Heller in 2008. The holding was a complete ban on handgun possession in the home violates the Second Amendment, as does its prohibition against rendering any lawful firearm in the home inoperable for the purpose of immediate self-defense. Judgment was 5-4 in favor of Heller. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Second Amendment, stating that as long as a firearm is for lawful purposes, the firearm cannot be legislated as to whether it is assembled or not. If the firearm were to be disassembled, it would not be operable for the purpose of self-defense. Stephen believes that there is no right for weapons outside of a well-regulated militia, which includes for hunting or self-defense.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up being the way that you are.